In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say thank you very much, and you're welcome. Let's get started. Thank you is 谢谢你. Please repeat after me. 谢谢你. 谢谢你. 谢谢你 is made of two words. 谢谢 means thank. 你 means you. 谢谢你. Next is thank you very much. 非常感谢你. Please repeat after me. 非常感谢你. 非常感谢你. 非常感谢你 is made of three words. 非常 means very. 感谢 means thanks. And 你 means you. 非常感谢你. And to say you're welcome. 不用谢. Please repeat after me. 不用谢. 不用谢. 不用谢 is made of two words. 不用 means don't. 谢 means thanks. Literally, it means don't mention it or you're welcome. 不用谢. In this lesson, we have learned 谢谢你, thank you. 非常感谢你, thank you very much. 不用谢, you're welcome. Make sure you practice them, and I will see you next time.